How to make a Windows 10 bootable installation USB media. Welcome to another video from softechonline. Even though the free upgrade of Windows 10 is discontinued by Microsoft, we can still download the ISO file and make the USB bootable media, with the trick shown in this video. Open Chrome browser and search for Windows software download. Select the first URL to go to the Windows download page. Click on Windows 10 icon. By default, you cannot find the ISO download option on this page. To get the option, right-click on the page and select Inspect option. Click on the three dots, then click More Tools and select Network Conditions. Uncheck the user agent, and select Browser as Chrome OS. Now reload the page again. Now the option is visible. Select the Windows 10 21H2, the latest updated version. Select the desired language. Select 32-bit or 64-bit, according to your hardware, to start the download. Once downloaded, open the browser again and go to rufus.ie. And download the latest version of the application. Now run the Rufus application. Insert the USB pen drive into the system. Select the downloaded ISO image file. Select GPT if your system supports, else keep it as MBR. Click on Start to create the bootable installation media. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more videos.